Hello, in this video, we will talk about division with decimal quotient. What is the meaning of decimal quotient? It means the answer is decimal. Let's take an example. 6,882 divided by 15. How we divide? First, we set up the numbers. To the right, we write the dividend, and to the left, we write the divisor. So 15 is the divisor, and 6,882 is the dividend. Now, we see how many digits we should take from the dividend. The divisor is 2 digits, so we take 2 digits from the dividend and we make sure that these 2 digits are bigger than the divisor. So 68 is bigger than 15, so we take only 2 digits. And now we will divide 68 by 15. How we will know the answer? What number times 15 equals to 68? We don't know. So what we have to do? We hide the ones digits and we divide 6 by 1. The answer is 6, but we are not sure that the answer is 6. We have to try. So we try 15 by 6. 6 times 5, 30. We write 0 and we carry 3. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3, 9. So the answer is 90. Can we write 6 in the answer in the quotient? No, because 90 is bigger than 68. So the answer is not 6. What we have to do now? We try the 5. So 15 times 5, we get 75. So the answer is 5. No, because 75 is bigger than 68. We cannot write 5 in the quotient. So now we try the 4. 15 times 4 is equal to 60. Now can we write 4 in the quotient? Yes, because 60 is smaller than 68. Now 4 by 15 is 60. We write 60 under the 68. And now we subtract 8 minus 0, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. After we subtract, we bring down the next digit. We get 88. And now how we divide 88 by 15? We hide the ones digit and we divide 8 by 1. We get 8. So do we write 8 in the quotient? Look, we already tried 15 by 6. We get 90. So by 6 is 90. 90 is bigger than 88. So 15 times 8 is bigger than 90. So it cannot be the answer. Now what if we try the 7? It is the same. We get an answer greater than 90. So it's greater than 88. So the answer is not 7. Now what about the 6? Also the answer is 90. It is bigger than 88. So it is not 6. Now what about 5? We already tried 15 by 5. We get 75. And 75 is smaller than 88. So yes, the answer is 5. And now 5 by 15 is 75. We write 75 under 88 and we subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 7, 1. We get 13 and now we bring down the 2. We get 138. Now how we divide 138 by 15? We hide the ones digit and we divide 13 by 1. If we divide 13 by 1, we get 13. But the answer cannot be 2 digits. The biggest answer is 9. We cannot write 10 or 11 or 12. We can write only 9 and smaller than 9. So we have to try the 9. If we try the 9, we get an answer greater than 132. So the answer is not 9. Now we try the 8. 15 by 8, we get 120, and 120 is smaller than 132. So yes, The answer is 8. Now 8 by 15 is 120. We subtract 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So we get 12. But 12 is smaller than 15. And we don't finish the division because the remainder is not 0. The remainder is 12 now. And we have to continue the division. So what we have to do? We add to the dividend. Here is the dividend. We add to the dividend 0.0 because 0.0 does not change the number. We can put 0.0 as many as we want. So now we put 0.0 and we copy the point to the answer and we bring down the 0. So we copy the point to the answer, we bring down the 0 and we continue. Now we have 120. Do we know the answer? Yes, the answer is 8. So we write 8 in the quotient and 8 by 15 is 120. 120 minus 120 is 0. So now we finish the division. The division is done because the remainder is 0 and the answer is 458 and 8 tenths. So we get an answer which is a decimal number. Thank you for watching.